Hey, what's up, DORs, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're talking boats today and rocker switch covers. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase the tool you will see us use in this video. It makes it extremely easy, friendly, and efficient to, again, remove those rocker switch covers. Let's take a look. I've made my way to my parents and on board and to the right of the steering wheel. You can see all of our rocker switch covers and a brand new installed horn. Down below in the comments and description, video link number 1 will take you to the proper steps on how to replace your horn switch. And down below in the comments and description will be a link on where to purchase a rocker switch cover removal tool as shown here. Coming up top, you can remove these covers to replace them, and you can actually get different colors and different color lenses. That one's a blue one. Those are all red. Camera position, and I grabbed the brand new rocker switch cover with the blue lens, and this little stud or pin feeds into the hole, and these little circular braces or connection tabs clip on to the internal part. Bringing the tool in and ever so carefully inserting it, apply some inward pressure and pop it off. There it is. And this one's so old it just comes right off by hand. It no longer connects to the actual switch itself. And DORs, that's it. That's how you carefully remove rocker switch covers. Taking a step back, and here they all are in action. And again, this is the old one.